Good day, traders, and welcome to the final episode of our Forex Ultimate Trading Championship coverage. Yes, it's finally here. We're going to announce our very first Ultimate Trading Champion. You're in the Forex price action setups community. And yeah, it's been a tough 7 weeks. A lot of traders started out, but not a lot of them finished. And in the end, it seems that consistency was key, with maybe one or two people taking a few risks that end up paying off. But before we get into the action, let's look at what you can expect in today's episode. We'll be giving you some more information of the FX Price Action Setups training program. So if you want more information on how to join that, stay tuned. We'll look at the last Trade of the Week winner for the Ultimate Trading Championships. And then we'll look at the leaderboard and the winners for our first round of the Ultimate Trading Championships. Then we'll also look at some setups to watch by our team of traders, and then we'll also look at all the action from a Discord trading room last week, which was on fire, so stick around for that. Just a reminder again that this event was made possible by the FX Price Action Setups community and IFX brokers. Let me first just start off by thanking IFX Brokers for making this event possible. Thank you guys for all the work behind the scenes and for the contributions. It's been a pleasure working with you, and I've actually moved my trading accounts to IFX myself. They offered me a great ECN account. For those of you who like trading with cheap spreads, just inquire about the ECN accounts. It's up there with the best in the world, spread-wise and commission-wise. So. I wouldn't recommend this broker if I wasn't comfortable myself. And like I said, I've moved all my trading accounts there. They're very well regulated. So give them a try. They got the excellent training academy. And we've actually decided to partner with them for our next sort of project, our Forex Trader Development Program. If you're looking for free training or free mentoring, stay tuned. We're going to be partnering with them, and yes, next year we'll be training some students. So let me give you some more info on that quickly. All right, those of you guys who are interested in the free training and mentoring program, just head over to the fxpriceactionsetups.com website and click on training, and here you'll find out all the information about our training program. Like I say, we have partnered with the IFX to bring you this Traders Development Program, and you can read the info there and put in your application at the bottom. Just give us a few days. We are just finalizing the information pack and all the information, and once we've finished that and reviewed all the applications, we'll send you through the final registration info and everything. I am busy with that. And how this training program is going to work is we're going to start on the 14th of January, and we're going to release models week by week, and traders are going to be expected to do the work before they can move on to the next model. So we're working with a couple of sections in the IFX Training Academy, and then all the methods in our FX Price Action Setups strategies. We use sort of each concept, and then we show you guys how to put it together into a complete trading plan. So if you're interested, like I say, just put in your information there, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Anyway, let's start off with the coverage for the Forex Ultimate Trading Championship. So we're going to start off looking at who won this last week's Trade of the Week. Congratulations there to Wayne Trade for winning another Trade of the Week. He might not have walked away with the top prize, but at least he won a couple of Trade of the Week prizes. And congratulations to everyone else on the list here. We haven't been able to pay out all the prizes yet, as we haven't been able to get in contact with all of you. But we will sort that out in this week. So congratulations there. But yeah, let's move on and see, look at the final standings and see who's our first Ultimate Trading Champion. Congratulations, Andre Florin. You're our first Ultimate Trading Champion with a massive gain of 715%. Congratulations also to Hood Billionaire FX and King George. They were two sort of late additions, but you know, they also walk away with prizes there. Andre, of course, walks away with a $1,000 prize, and Hood Billionaire $500, and King George $250 trading accounts there with IFX Brokers. Yeah, congratulations, guys. Let's have a look at the standings quickly and see how close it was. Yeah, as you guys can see here, what was really interesting, the third and fourth place actually came down to a couple of $100, you know, about $400 between King George and the next competitor. So yeah, almost at the end there, Rain had some big trades, holding on to some big trades at the end of the tournament, which bumped him up to fourth place. But yeah, a runaway win for Andre after, you know, Wayne was eliminated, the tournament leader for the whole of the event. Yeah, Andre actually ended up with 2 strikes, and he pretty much just closed up shop at the end. Tactically didn't want to give it away, but let's quickly have a look at some of our top traders, you know, some of the equity curves for this tournament. Actually, first let's have a look at the pairs. The most traded pairs during this tournament was the Euro US dollar, you know, followed by the Pound US dollar, which is sort of expected. But only Euro, Aussie dollar, Pound yen, and Aussie dollar ended up being positive pairs across the tournament. Well, from these top 10 pairs, you know, with gold being a real killer, people losing a lot of money on average per trade on gold. Yeah, I've got Lucid here, which was Lucid was our third place for most of the event. And I've got these Lucid's equity curve here throughout the event. As you guys can see, you know, it was quite a steady curve, no real drops, with a couple of big wins. And then Lucid just decided to go for glory at the end, one big trade, and ended up getting knocked out. Also looking at Wayne Trade's equity curve for this event, Wayne was a solid competitor, the leader from the beginning. But Wayne just had a couple of days where, you know, I think he ended up banking two strikes in this area here. By this time we was knocked out, and then actually had a pretty decent end to the week. I think he ended up close to $2 million in profit. So yeah, Wayne would have won if it wasn't for the third strike. You know, unlucky there, but Wayne's definitely going to be back in our next event. So be sure to stay tuned so you guys can challenge the likes of Wayne and Andre for the next event. Yeah, King George, our third place trader, pretty much you know, break even throughout the event, and then one big week, one big trade, and you know, pushed him up into third place. The Hood Billionaire FX pretty much similar, you know, no trading really going on, and pretty much getting knocked one trade getting knocked into the second spot. So yeah, it just takes one big trade, guys. You don't have to do 100 trades. This honestly was just one big trade by Hood Billionaire FX, and he ended up winning $500 for his efforts. But yeah, the most impressive equity curve obviously belongs to Andre Florin. You know, struggled a bit at the beginning, but once he got going, you know, he wasn't stopping. One big losing day, I think it was about a 9% loss on a trade there. But then a couple of big wins again, and you can see the last 2 weeks, Andre just closed up shop, and while he was hanging on to that lead, which he deserved. You know, well done, Andre. You know, I saw your live trading account curve as well. It's really impressive, and I hope to see you more active in our trading room. Yeah, congratulations. We'll actually we're going to have another episode next week, and we'll do a quick interview with Andre and possibly with Wayne if we can make that happen. And we're also going to be going through their trades and maybe discuss sort of tactically what they were doing. So yeah, we're going to break down those trades. So yeah, we'll have one more episode for you guys next week. So like I say, just subscribe to the channel and you know, stay tuned. Yeah, big thanks to all our participants. I hope you guys enjoyed our first event. But as fun as it was, though, I'm sure demo trading, you know, just isn't real trading. So we will be doing some live events next year. So stay tuned. Subscribe to our newsletter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the action. You know, FX Price Action Setups is doing everything we can to educate and grow the trading community, but we can't do it alone. We need your support. So please spread the word and support those brokers that support us. You know, our community is already reaping the rewards from working together. Our Discord trading room the last few weeks has been on fire, and there's been some real great setups in there. And if you want to be a part of our Discord trading room, you can find the information in the description below or on our website. And just a final reminder that any trader that opens a live account with IFX Brokers before the end of the year will receive access to our free training program, full access to our Discord trading room, and a full copy of the Easy Order Indicator, which is now available to those supporting members of the FX Price Action Setups community. And yeah, you'll also be ready for the live events next year. So don't waste any time. Open those accounts and support us and our brokers. But yeah, with that, I will say goodbye and leave you with some of the great setups from our Discord trading room the past week. As always, guys, good luck and happy trading.